Hi, I'm Nicola from Kids Eye Gear, and today I'd love to share with you some patching tips for those of you who might be starting out on your patching journey, and specifically for those of you that are using adhesive eye patches. Now, our Kids Eye Gear eye patches are designed to be suitable for really sensitive skin. We're trying to balance having a patch that's sticky enough, but also a patch that's not too sticky that it's going to rip eyebrows off. So there are a couple of things that you do need to keep in mind when using the Kids Eye Gear eye patches. Number one, having clean skin or a clean face is really important. Do not use baby wipes. I repeat, do not use baby wipes. All baby wipes seem to contain some sort of moisturiser that will break down the adhesive in the patches. So the best idea is to clean it with soap and water, maybe even a microfiber cloth, and then just towel it dry. Sunscreen is also going to be a bit of a problem, so make sure that you've removed all sunscreen before you apply your patches. Okay, now the second tip is that the Kids Eye Gear adhesive patches are designed to have the narrow part with the little slits there on the nose side of the face, and then the larger part going out towards your ear. So basically what happens is the little slits allow the adhesive patch to mould around the nose for better comfort and fit. So when you're going to apply the adhesive eye patch, all you need to do is peel off the paper backing like that, and then I'm just going to show you on my skin. Just pop it on your skin, obviously on your face. You can stick it to your skin first. If you're finding them too sticky on your child's face, just pop them on your skin first, pull them off, and then pop them back on the eye. Now, it's really important once you do apply the patch that you run your finger around the adhesive part a couple of times, as this is going to activate the adhesive. So it's pressure activated adhesive. So just rub it along a couple of times, and that's all you need to do. Now, when it comes to removing your adhesive eye patch, it's best not to let the kid just rip it off, because sometimes that can hurt their skin. What we would recommend is using water, olive oil, coconut oil, or something like that, and just rub a tiny little bit around the adhesive part. Allow it to sit for a couple of minutes, and then it's pretty easy to just pull the patch off, and quite often they'll just slide off. Now, I actually have moisturiser on my arm today, so you can see how easily that peels off if you do have moisturiser on, and it should be that easy to peel off after you've put a little bit of oil or something, or even water around that adhesive part before you pull it off. So that's just a couple of tips on how to use the Kids Eye Gear adhesive eye patches. If you do have any questions or issues at all, please don't hesitate to get in contact with me. I'm absolutely more than happy to help. Thank you so much.